Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So after the yesterday dump, the market recovered and we are in green heading into the weekend. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. Everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and invest according to your research and also based on your financial conditions. So guys, smash those like, push the bell notification or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes. So guys, let's go and check out our favorite bubble chart. Let's see what's happening out there. So Bitcoin is up 1.1%, Ethereum is up 2.1%, and as we see, Osmosis and Atom are pumping like meme coins like Doge and SHIB. So Doge pumped because Elon Musk took over Twitter, but we see most of the altcoins in green, so that's looking pretty good. Let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. It is at 30. So guys, after a long period of time just hovering around 20, the index now went to this 30 levels and consolidating on higher levels for now. So good to see the market trying to get some more confidence. So let's go and check our first news. Macro guru Rob Paul says crypto and Web3 about to explode 300x in market value. Here is his timeline. Okay, so Google Tech Talks interview, Paul says the crypto market cap of about 1 trillion could explode to 300 trillion in just a decade. All the big Web2 players are involved. Everybody in the financial system is involved. Everybody. You just don't see it really because they are cautiously moving forward because of regulatory issues. But everybody knows that this is where it's all going. I have never seen anything like it personally. It's kind of a little bit like the internet, but it's just faster paced and actually larger in scope, which sounds crazy, but it is because it accrues value itself to these protocol layers. So there is this massive value accretion that comes. If I compare where we are now, call it $1 trillion dollars of assets valuation in the digital assets, while almost all the traditional asset markets are 200 trillion to 300 trillion each. We are going to get there in probably 10 to 15 years. Bigger than oil, bigger than the internet. It's a very, very different thing. It's quite the phenomenon. The point being, as soon as the macro clears up, everybody's going to launch. And don't forget, everybody's invested VC in this space already. So the VC money of 60 billion US dollar that went in the last 18 months, because of the speed of the cycle in crypto, we are going to see a whole lot of products and new changes and new innovations coming in the next 6 to 12 months, and we will move the whole narrative forward exponentially yet again. So guys, I like this. I like how Rob Paul envisioning the development of the crypto market. And guys, don't forget that he is in finance and investment more than 30 years, and he is an ex-former Goldman Sachs executive. So guys, I like this. Let me know in the comment section what do you think. Next, Bitcoin weekends mostly gone as BTC ignores Amazon Meta stock dip. So Amazon and stock and Meta, there was some publishing yesterday. There is obviously a lot happening in the macroeconomic environment, and we will balance our investments to be more streamlined without compromising our key long-term strategies, bets the CEO. Weekends are mostly gone. Last January's Netflix earnings and its ensuring 20% crash sent BTC down 20%, Ethereum down 30%. Today, Amazon's earnings and it's ensuring 20% crash, sent BTC down to 10% and Ethereum down to 3%. So weekends are mostly gone. Correlation has not gone away, but the correlation is here, still here, but maybe at a lower space, but still, yes, correlating almost with the stock market. So guys, while it's too early to say this trend continues, it's worth watching if this correlation will decouple off or not. Let's go and check out our next news. Analyst who nailed 2022 crypto price auction predicts Bitcoin's path ahead. And he is crypto capo, and according to his BTC plan, that he thinks BTC will top out at this 21,500 and then dropping back and visiting a lower 16 and 14,000 US dollar levels. BTC detailed analysis, you see there is another scenario. If BTC would able to break this 21,500 US dollar support and consolidating above, that would mean BTC would be able to pump from here, and then we would able to state that that was a final bottom. If not, there is a scenario still to drop 14,000, but starting to coming up from there. This looks like primary supply, still expecting low time frame distribution to form between 20,500 to 21,200. Shitcoins pumping, Shiba and Dogecoin, yes. So guys, let's go and check out our next news. Ethereum sets record ETH short liquidations, wiping out 500 billion in 2 days. 500 billion, what a hell. So I think too many people shorted Ethereum, or what, 2 days, $500 billion of Ethereum short. So $500 billion, then it's not billion, this is million. So guys, don't please correct this. So Cointelegraph, please. So this is 500 million. So that would be insane, because this is half of the total crypto market cap. What a mistake. Ethereum short liquidations, as Ethereum started to pump about 1,500 US dollar. That this is this huge green that short liquidated. Ethereum short liquidations, all exchanges, all symbols. So you see this huge volume candle. BTC flushes out speculators, and also yes. So this is also the liquidations, short liquidations. Wow, what the hell, huge short liquidations on Ethereum as well. So guys, let's go and check out our next news. Vitalik Buterin reveals 4 key goals for Ethereum in 2023. The fees. So Vitalik Buterin, if you don't know, he is the co-creator of the Ethereum layer 1 protocol. The fees have been low for the past 6 months, so it's a bit easier to kind of backburner the problem. But I think if Ethereum succeeds, we are going to have another bull market, and we know what bulls means for transaction fees. From the point of view of a user, bulls can even be something to dread, because of its makes transactions fees shoot up to 50 or 100 US dollar or whatever. So then that will be huge. So explains the Ethereum resource website. The single account type will have the functionality to transact both coin and contract. Developer and user will no longer need to make a distinction between account type, since transacting will be moved fully into EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, and off a blockchain protocol. So guys, I think that would help Ethereum to scale up, and this is how it is. Let's go and check out our next news. Top analyst warns extreme Bitcoin and Ethereum bears are about to get absolutely crushed. Yes, we have seen this as with these short liquidations. if we get a little bit higher to this next swing top at 23,000 US dollar, and of course my wake-up flip at 23,200, and then the monthly swing to top at 25,200. So that is going to be the big one that the bears are going to have to watch. Those are broken. 10,000, you could probably say it's completely off, forget about it. This is not looking too good for those 10,000 US dollar Bitcoin bears. Ethereum for ETH definitely showing much more strength. The consolidation was about the previous zone. Ethereum is pumped away. It's about 1500 US dollar. It's about the 50% Fibonacci zone. So I think if we are waiting for 300, 400, 500 Ethereum, probably forget those things right now. Yes, once the Ethereum's bear market trend line gets broken, there is another check mark to this bottom in cryptos and Bitcoin being in, and then we just have to wait for the accumulation period. Depending on how long it takes, maybe it's a quicker one this time, maybe it's slightly shorter, but either way, this is still looking like the extreme bears are in process of getting absolutely crashed. Yes, guys, and this is also because these liquidations. Cool. Let's go and check out our next news. New York Stock Exchange, they list Twitter shares following Elon Musk acquisitions. So Elon Musk bought Twitter, purchased Twitter, and then that is why Twitter went to a public company with this, bringing the value of the deal close to 44 billion US dollar. So 44 billion US dollar. And also, I don't know if they are sharing this, but Binance CZ took a stake, and Binance contributed with 500 million US dollar in this acquisition. Yes, so Binance and CZ also committed to make Twitter a decentralized social media platform and onboarding more and more crypto related use cases. Next piece of news is Bitcoin price grinds higher, why BTC could lift off to 25,000 US dollar. So Bitcoin is going pace about 20,000 and 20,500 resistance levels. The price is trading about 20,000 and the 100 hourly simple moving average. There is a major contracting triangle forming the resistance near 20,820. On the hourly chart, the pair could rally again if there is a clear move above the 21,200. So we should broke first 21,200, then we can see a nice pump up. The MACD is now gaining pace in the bullish zone. The RSI is now well above the 50 levels, so supports at but also we crashed these supports, but now we are back above these supports. Major resistance 21,200 and 22,000 US dollars, but this is a quite old, so then maybe I will close down. Ethereum compatible sidechain could very bullish for XRP according to Coin Bureau. Here is why. So guys, that means that XRP ledger XRP would be building EVM compatible. So let's check this. So Paris Technology is currently testing an Ethereum virtual machine EVM compatible sidechain for XRPL. So that would be a sidechain of XRP, and that would be compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. In case you haven't noticed, EVM support has set many Ethereum competitors to the moon in the past, including Harmony and Phantom. XRP having an EVM sidechain could therefore be very bullish for XRP. This ultimately depends on how fast XRP's EVM sidechain would be. And this means that Ripple will have a lot of work to do to improve its transaction per second. This shouldn't be too difficult to do given the Avalanche, Near Protocol's Aurora layer, and Solana's upcoming Neon layer all leverage the EVM and can process thousands of transactions per second. The one advantage XRP would have over most other EVM chains is its massive community of XRP holders. That said, XRP does have one big disadvantage, and that's that it's the only big cryptocurrency that's been singled out as being a security by the SEC as part of its case against Ripple. Guys, yes, this is bullish. So maybe I will buy some XRP, but not a financial advice. Next, Dogecoin price jumped 40% on Elon Musk Twitter wallet rumors. Doge could undergo a 20% price correction before the end of the year, despite strong fundamentals. Elon Musk fuels Dogecoin rally again. So Dogecoin started to pump, as you see, and nearly touched this 200-day moving average. Yeah, so if there is rumor that there will be a wallet on Twitter and that would also accepting Dogecoin, that would be huge. Okay, so a tech blogger claimed that Twitter is working on a wallet prototype that supports cryptocurrency deposits and withdrawals. Elon Musk is the thread that connects Dogecoin and Twitter earlier this year. Yes. Okay, so he's supporting Dogecoin. Doge price risk 20% correction because there is a resistance in this triangle, and if dropping from here, that could lead a 20% drop. So definitely watch these charts. Guys, let's go and check out our next news. Ethereum compatible sidechain could very bullish. Okay, but that was a news. Yes. Okay. Global Bitcoin payments market to meteorically rise to nearly 4 trillion US dollar within a decade, and this is four times higher than the total crypto market cap right now. So furthermore, increase in demand for Bitcoin among banks and financial institutions and untapped potential in emerging economies are expected to provide lucrative opportunities for the Bitcoin payments market expansion during the forecast period. Okay, Asia Pacific also growing, and yeah, so Asia Pacific region accounted for the largest Bitcoin payment market share and had the highest growth in 2021 according to this report. And also Latin America and Africa presents an opportunity for mobile payment service providers and the Bitcoin payment network, and this is happening, guys. Let's go and check our next news. Is Matic price about to double? Polygon's Reddit hype pushes exchange balances to 9 months lows. So Matic exchange balances hits 9 months lows as less and less Matic are held on the exchanges. Good to see. Reddit using Polygon to mint collectible NFT avatars. And guys, Disney is using Matic. I think one of the major bank will use the Matic blockchain to mint their stablecoins. Starbucks will use Matic, and Walmart is using Matic, and now Reddit is the next. So I'm really bullish, and this is the sales volume, collectible avatar sales volume on Reddit, and this is also huge, as we see this Polygon's transactions, buyers, sellers. So they are using the Matic blockchain to sell their NFTs, and also Matic is in this bull flag. So every minute can break up from this bull flag, and that would be a nice movement to the 1.8 US dollar levels. Okay, the predominant structure in the higher time frame flag dating back to May of 21 that looks ready for another leg higher. Breakout retest, send it, yes. All-time high resistance, breakout retest, send it. And this is Matic network in terms of Bitcoin. So guys, that would be really bullish to break these levels in terms of Bitcoin. I'm expecting a small retrace before breaking out, continuing higher. So definitely look out what Matic is doing. Next piece of news is crypto adoption is here to come. It's inevitable. Costa Rica might be the next country to establish Bitcoin as regulated cryptocurrency. Okay, so there is a bill that introduced to allow Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to serve as a form of payment. The bill also proposes that traditional banking institutions be able to serve as crypto exchanges, including custody and wallet services for their customers. So traditional banking, TradeFi, will provide crypto services. The cryptocurrency asset market is very new. This bill wants to propose Costa Rica as an investment center for crypto-related people and companies to see Costa Rica as a growth niche. Crypto and banking guarantee banking interoperability of cryptocurrencies through public and private banks in the national territory. So guys, maybe we should move to Costa Rica. I think the weather is good, the food is good, and yes, so that we can have some fun there. So guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS Dankler on Twitter. So you find here at MIKLOS Dankler on Twitter. Definitely follow at CorionX platform, and also check this. This is a stablecoin related news from our stablecoin movement partner, that Kazakhstan will use BNB chain to execute its central bank digital currency. So this is huge. Next, guys, laser punk guts are a little bit ugly before because there was a promotion and then we was just faked, flooded with fake users and fake followers. So that is why you should definitely follow what we are doing and give a like and shout out to our team. So 2 scenarios for Bitcoin if breaking and consolidating about 21,500. We've already seen this. Give a like and share. So Bitcoin is getting resilient against stock market drops. There will be a time when it will totally decouple, and yes, because Amazon earnings and ensuring 20% crash sent BTC down just 2% and Ethereum 3%. Definitely check out our Binance Smart Chain bridge, so you can bridge CorionX token back and forth from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. The BTC playbook is still long up to 21,000 and then short down to 14,000 and hopefully confirm the final bottom here. So that was the promotion with this guy. So guys, don't take any service from this guy, because actually he is not delivering, even if getting these huge lags, but yeah, so it was just a nightmare. The printer is back, ladies and gents, going burr, closed the bottom. So that was 1 billion US dollar in Tether was printed. Wow, Twitter crypto wallet soon, Elon Musk. Yes. Okay, and what's this? I don't find it any tweet here. Okay guys, so that's it. And where is this tweet? I don't see this tweet. So Elon Musk freed up the bird. So Elon freed up the bird, definitely. Share this. Elon Musk took over Twitter and freed the bird. So guys, let's go and visit our farms. Go to Uniswap or to PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity and look up your LPs and earn up to 330% juicy APRs. So I think that's a best way to make more money out of the CorionX platform, as we are preparing for the NFT launchpad launch very soon. Okay, so let's go and join our Telegram channel. You find the link in the description, and just we are sharing some crypto wisdom here and some news and analysis. And guys, let's go and check out the chart. So the dollar, the DXY dropped, just stopped here, and it's bouncing, so reverted, and maybe we are going higher, and that would lead to a drop in crypto and Bitcoin prices. And definitely watch what Bitcoin is doing. So Bitcoin is just hovering around 20,700. Broke this trend line, and now consolidating above this trend line. And then we have some nice kind of bull flags that after consolidation just making next higher highs. And if this, and it will break this 21,500, that definitely this is what we want to see before BTC can pump further. Guys, that's it for today. Be sure to go and visit our farms, follow me and CorionX and also the Laser Pangats on Twitter. And yes, so see you in the next video. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye bye.